guys, I'm Elsie Vas. Welcome to my channel. All of us are so fond of eating oranges, the sweet, tangy fruit which is plenty in our country, especially in winter. We eat them either as a fruit, use them as juice, or you use them in salads, cakes, some sweet dishes, etc. What about the humble peel? We throw them out. Please do not throw them away. In fact, after you hear from me and see my video, you will never throw them away again. Many of us do not know that orange peels have much more benefits than the fruit itself. For example, orange peel contains almost double amount of vitamin C when you compare with the actual flesh. Instead of throwing these beautiful bright colored peels, we are going to make it small pieces and get it dried. I suggest, since we are going to use it for our beauty treatments and health benefits, wash the oranges before you peel them so that all the dust and dirt which is on them and the pesticides which is being sprayed on them will be washed away, so it will be nice and clean for our use. So once this is all been made into small pieces, we'll keep them out for drying. Today we are going to concentrate only on the beauty treatments, how we are going to use this. So let's get it dried. So before that, like I said, let us cover this. Once the peels are nicely dry, they become like chips. Look at the crunchiness of that. So once it is nicely crunchy, we'll put them in the mixie and make a powder of it. This is my orange peel powder. I always have them at home. I dry them and grind them and keep it in the fridge. I use them as my face scrub, also for a pack. So today I am going to show you a face pack which is made with this orange peel. So let's see what all we need for that face pack. Using this amazing orange peel powder, we are going to make a face pack which is really good, and it is good for all type of skin, which is going to make your face shine and make you feel rejuvenated and refreshed. So you need just 4 ingredients for that. 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. I will use 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 or 3 drops of fresh turmeric or haldi juice. If you don't have fresh turmeric, use 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder and 1 tablespoon of curd. That's all. We are going to mix all of them together and make our pack. Our pack is mixed and ready. See the consistency of it. It's nicely spreadable. So let's clean our face and put the face pack on. Each ingredient in this pack is going to help you to get a very rejuvenated and fresh looking skin. The orange peel with its vitamin C and all the other things which is there is going to take out the tan from your skin and make it really bright. The curd what we are using is again going to help in the same way, with a lot of protein in that, which will again help you in your skin. The haldi what we used, if it's fresh haldi, it is better, but some people don't like fresh haldi because it doesn't suit their skin. Whichever one you are using, it's okay. The haldi is a super nutrient for the skin and it has lots and lots of benefits. It's a super anti-inflammatory. Also, it takes out the tan, gives a very fresh looking and very fresh feeling skin. And of course, honey makes it nice and moisturized. This pack is good for both type of skins, dry and the oily skin. If you have an oily skin, the orange peel and the curd takes out the extra oil from your face. Whereas for a dry skin, the honey and the turmeric and the oil content in the curd is going to give you very moisturized skin. 15 minutes are over and I wash my hand with cold water. and I'm feeling so nice. My skin is feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. The tan is gone from my hand now. This is a lovely pack. Any time of the day you can apply while watching the TV. Just put it on and just keep watching the TV, and by the end of your 15 minutes you'll start feeling very nice and refreshed. In fact, I personally use this pack for my whole body, especially my feet and all, which is tanned quite a bit when you're having days in outdoor. I personally like this pack very much. The reason being, number one, everything is easily available at home. Number two, in fact, that should be the number one, it's all natural products. We are not using any chemicals in this. We are not using any store bought face pack in this. So this is going to be super good for your skin. Third is that it is suitable for dry and oily skin. Fourth, it makes your skin so supple and rejuvenated and refreshed. Hope you all like this video. Please put your comments in the comment section. Like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe for my channel if you are not done yet. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications and the coming videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.